Hey guys, so it's time for the Region Meet 2020. Tomorrow is almost here. I probably will still hold my breath until tomorrow gets here just to make sure everything takes place. First, I want to say the people who will not be with us, you guys are in our thoughts and we know that you are there in spirit. So stay safe and know you're with us. This year we have several graduating seniors. I want to say this is going to be a tough year as we know. So congratulations to all the seniors we have this year, and you will truly be missed. All right, let's talk about the race tomorrow. So the weather tomorrow is supposed to feel like 70, and it's a chance of rain, and more rain. So if you haven't seen the weather, there is a hurricane hitting the Gulf. It's going to bring rain up through our region pretty much all night and all day tomorrow. So be prepared for rain. Be prepared to get wet. So you'll need to have layers of clothes so that you do have warm, dry clothes for after the race. All right, what you need to bring tomorrow, please bring your mask, your uniform. If you have spikes, you would like those since it will be wet tomorrow. If not, just make sure you have your running shoes, warm-ups, any kind of sweats or anything that you have to stay warm and dry. If you have a rain jacket, that would be perfect. Make sure you have a water or drink. Again, we're still not allowed to provide you with that. And as always, bring a positive attitude. All right, school day tomorrow. You do need to attend the class to be able to go to the meet tomorrow. So attend class and lunch through third period. Third period, 1 o'clock, whichever comes first. I don't know exactly what time third period ends anymore. So at the end of third period or at 1 o'clock, head to the locker room. Your teachers will have a list with everybody's name on it, and they will know that you're getting out to go to the region meet. Okay, try to be on the bus by 1:15. We do have a coaches meeting at 2:20, and it takes about an hour, and in the rain, we don't want to be in a hurry. All right, girls run at 3, boys run at 2:45, and JV runs at 4:15. After the race, as most of you guys know, typically we take you guys to Fuddruckers, and that's something we've done as a tradition for several years now. We have asked, and unfortunately, we are not allowed to take you guys out to eat. So, really sorry about that. But if you want to ride with your parents, just let us know, like after any other meet. And maybe sometime this will pass and we'll get to meet with you guys and do our banquet after Christmas in the spring. We'll try to have that whenever we're allowed to. So that'll just be something to look forward to. I want to say it's been a great season, regardless of the challenges. You guys make it awesome. Every day we go out there, you guys make us smile. You know, we're so happy to be out there and work with you guys. It makes us really love what we do, even in a very stressful season this year with 2020. And it may not seem like we're always happy to be there because we're saying, put your mask on, put your mask on, put your mask on. But I want you to know I've really enjoyed every time we've got to see you guys this year, and I hope this is a great day tomorrow. And again, we wish all of you guys that were quarantined, I wish you guys could be there as well, but you guys will definitely be in our thoughts tomorrow. All right, let's get pumped up. I added a little video here. I don't know if you'll be able to get this or not, but if so, this is a nice little video that I think that would definitely get me pumped up. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow.